one of the most powerful truths I've come to realize, both as a trader and as a psychologist, is that trading is like a mirror. Okay, the market will expose stuff for us. So it doesn't just reveal, unfortunately for us, it does not just reveal our technical skills, it reveals ourselves, okay? Like I was saying at lunchtime, not at lunchtime, sorry, during the YouTube, because I had 2 sessions. During the YouTube, I was saying that we have to take that in our advantage. If we suck, it is our fault, our responsibility to change something. The market does what it does every day. It moves up, down, and flat, okay? So,
look at me.
Oh, sorry, that was my alert. So there's nothing wrong there. The market is just moving like it does. So how can I adapt? Okay? Yeah, look at me. So I really like this alert because it is essentially what I teach, okay? If you don't get alerted, there's nothing to see. So if my chart is telling me, look at me, I shall look at it. But if I don't have an alert, I have nothing to see. So the market will reveal our patience, our fears, our need for control, and our response to uncertainty. Okay, uncertainty is very hard for a human being. Every trading styles brings out different parts of ourselves. So finding your style is more than just a strategy. It's an act of self-awareness. Okay? You're not just trading the market. You're learning how to trade yourself. Bonjour, Market Alchemist. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. We've come to the end of this episode, but your journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to watch the next video in the series and don't forget to like and subscribe.